Hey baby, what are you guys doing?
Hey, happy Sunday everyone. I'm just teaching Chilean how to make Parotta or Parotta. நம்ம தமிழ்ல சொல்லணும்னா Parotta.
Okay.
How do you say this one?
Parotta.
Parotta or Parotta.
Parotta or Parotta?
Yeah, Tamil in Parotta.
Okay.
So you take this one Chilean, you just make it like a round shape, and the edges make sure it's like a little bit thin, right? So now you take like this, you just beat it until it get bigger, you know?
Yeah.
Wow, it became bigger for you.
You see?
Yeah.
It's like a paper. So now you take this one, like pull it a little bit straight, right? Then you make like that. Now Chilean is gonna do it, right?
Okay.
Take it again. So I'll just put a little bit oil for you. Use only one hand if you can.
Okay.
Yeah, same like pizza, but yeah, there you go. The main thing, the edges has to be very thin. Yeah, there you go.
Even
You want to hold like this, remember? The hand has supposed to be hold like this. Look.
Okay.
Yeah,
okay.
yeah, yeah, yeah. There you go. Yeah, beat it here, yeah.
You're doing good. Babe. Hey, what do you think?
Okay, that's good. Okay. So, I mean, it's good the first time. Hold on. Look.
Make it like a butterfly.
Yeah.
Second round.
Yeah, you pull this hand the right side. There you go. There you go. You see? There you go. Good job. This is a good one.
Nice.
Go this side. Yeah. Right side.
I
Yeah.
can't even do that.
There you go. Instead of like, yeah. Yeah, look. I'll help you. Look. Everything is good, but it's still in the edge. Is there some edge? But it's pretty good, you know? Look at this. See? Yeah. Oh, yeah, that works too. Yeah, put some oil there. Yeah.
Wow, look at that.
Yeah.
Good job, Jelly
You want to do
Cookie.
another one? Here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, now you become a pro.
Tarin,
Yeah.
the same thing we did the first place. Now you're taking like this, make it the round, take it and put it here.
Oh, I thought you were gonna slap it again.
Oh no. Take it, look. It's easy, this one is easy. You put some oil, then start it again like this. Some people roll it, but you don't have to roll it. Look. And you can make it however thin you want or thick you want it. Because I like to put like this, you know? I take that one. Yeah, use oil. Yep, give a force a little bit because it's gonna be a little bit hard. There you go, perfect.
Oh, it came out really good actually.
So I remove already. Look. How it looks.
Wow,
Why did we beat it?
Get it soft.
so
Is it?
cool. Nice. You wanna test it and let us know?
Yeah. It's so good.
It tastes like a real paratha.
Yeah. It's,
Nice.
it tastes like the ones that we always buy.
Wow! Look at this dosa that not dosa. Is it dosa? Is it dosa?
No, Parotta.
Parotta! I thought it was dosa.
They also look like that.
No, I just forgot what it was called.
Parotta.
Yeah, parotta.
Parotta.
You wanna
Look at-
try it?
Yeah, I'm gonna try.
Guess who made it?
Chela,
Shelly and Appa.
Chelian, and Appa.
Yeah.
I'm trying it like this.
Even Lulu wanted.
This is good.
Right?